So guys, this is Engineer Mark from PRIMESURGE Energy, and currently we just finished installing the 5 kVA system where we have to use a 250 ampere hour battery. As you can see, we have 4 of them here. This is the first time we're actually using a 250 ampere hour battery, and it makes a whole lot of sense, and it's fully, we can actually maintain it. This is wet cell, or else called tubular. So right now it is charging, and also there's power supply, so it's charging and also giving in light. So once the light goes off, the inverter will take over. This is a project for Church of Christ Kado, and we have just succeeded with my team of engineer Odwak, Barry and myself. We've succeeded in taking them off the shackles of NEPA, so they can now have to produce their own light. Peace. So guys, these are the beautiful ladies lying on top of the roof. This is Paul, this is Mike, this is Engineer Mark, that's Kenneth down there. Kenneth is a ladder man.
You get observer here.
Okay.
Okay, one observer.
So, international observer. Alright guys, so we're almost done laying the panels. We're done with the job we came here to do. Yeah, so that's the system. Is a charge controller, electricity, is a inverter, 5 kVA, and this is the battery. PRIMESURGE Energy, and today we are about to install the 5 kVA system for Ken Profit Consulting Limited, and then we are about to power up this place to give them alternative source of energy where it will be able to power at least one AC. There's a particular room there that's supposed to power one AC. So here we have our 5 kVA inverter, our 2 volts, and then the very high quality cables we're going to be using. Then we'll be using our batteries on its way coming, and also the panels will be here tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll do most of the installation, but so far we'll show you how it goes. So stick around. Hi guys, welcome back to our day 2 of installation. We're doing the 5 kVA installation, and today we are going to be installing this 500 watts half-cut solar panel. And we're installing 6 today. That's a 5 kVA 4 battery system, 48 volts. So we intend to install it to power one AC and other items, lighting, sockets for fans and all those things. And we are going to do it in such a way that it lasts over time, because we're using one of the best battery ever in the market as a sponsor. Quality is our watchword, and we are always very careful to make sure we give you the right quality. So why ask for less when you can have better? PRIMESURGE. So we're done with the mounting of the solar panels, and right now we're doing the connection. So as we take the wires down, as you can see, one of my very reliable staff doing the connection now. So as we take the wires down and then go and finish the installation with the battery. So as you can see, this is a 500 watts half-cut mono inverter solar panels. This is what we decided to use because we do not want to use plenty of it. So we had to go for quite sizable and then reduce the number of panels. The roof has panels already, as you can see those panels there. There are panels over there. Panel down here too. So we just did this installation. So we're leaving other parts of the roof for other tenants in this plaza to be able to have their own installation. So we're done and we're going inside now to finish up the connection, and voila, these clients will gladly leave conventional electricity for good. So do you have energy challenge? Do you know the price of fuel have actually gone up? People are suggesting using CNG, that's compressed natural gas, to be able to power generators, and some are even advising you use it to power your car. But have you actually thought that you can actually use green energy like the sun? Though gas is also a good source of energy, green energy too. But what's the stress for? Why do you have to go and starting your generator when it sees light? Let the sun provide power for you. So call us. It's not cheap, but it's also not bank breaking. You don't need to break the bank for it. So for you to have something like this, call us, tell us your energy need, and then we'll give you the necessary advice to be able to help you go ahead so that you can have your energy needs met. This is PRIMESURGE Energy, the best you can ever get. Call us and let's do the right things for you. Cheers.
So far, I'm so impressed, and then I'm excited. The work is so neat. It was done neatly, perfectly well, and it took them 2 days just to make all this happen. And it seems very easy, and I think we will not have a problem with lights anymore. And I just love the fact that you guys were time conscious, and then your work is neat, and everything seems very intact and original, authentic. So I'm completely impressed. I think every company in Nigeria, especially due to our life situation, should have an inverter or a solar installation in the office, so just so you can get your work done, and you don't have to be out of light. Especially when you know that you have international calls to make, or you do international businesses, you won't want your system or your phone to go off in the midst of a Zoom meeting. It's actually very easy just for us to just implement it all the time, and our good. And then even the safety tip, it's not like we are in any danger. It's just for us to be able to conserve light and conserve energy for us to be used for future purpose.
Everything is working intact, everything is fine. The batteries are okay. The connections were done well. We had to hide the cables with khaki, as you can see, with the cables more inside here. So everything is working. The battery is charging, and very soon it's about 56.8 volts right now. So the solar is charging well, and we're done here. It's a wrap here, guys. So we're moving to the next project.